Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be updating you guys on my Asteria hair that I got back in February. So this will technically be like a 6-month update on this hair. Of course this is a wig. I have not been having the hair in my head for a whole 6 months, so I just wanted to clarify that. But as you guys can tell, this is me styling the hair. You guys seen that I cut a little bit of the hair, just a couple inches, and added some nice curls into this hair, and this hair is just as nice as it was when I first got it. I washed it a couple weeks ago and let it air dry, and then I just pulled it out of my stash today and restyled it, and this hair is still rocking. I did not add any type of leave-ins in this hair. This is the natural shine and the natural luster, and this is just me running my fingers through the hair. I cut it because I did want like a fuller look, and the curls are just way more voluptuous now that I have like more of a blunt cut at the ends of the hair now. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how the hair has been holding up and give you guys a little bit of updates about the status of the hair overall. So to this day I still really do not experience any shedding with this hair, which is remarkable because I just don't like having hair that just ends up everywhere and leaving a trail behind me when I'm wearing it. So that's a good thing. Tangling, I really don't experience any type of tangling. The most I would get is maybe like a snag in the back of my neck, but I can always wiggle it out with my fingers, which is always a plus. The moment that I feel like I need to get a paddle brush and use some elbow grease to get that out, that's when I know something is wrong. And then aside from that, when I first had this hair, one of the biggest cons I was speaking of was the fact that this hair is thinner than hair that I've worked with in the past. But since I've cut the hair a little bit and not added some curls, it really does not look thin at all. But when it was a little bit longer and when I first started wearing the hair, it did strike me as pretty thin in my opinion, because this is only 3 bundles and normally I wear 4 just because I like the full look. So yeah, adding some layers into this hair when you have 3 bundles is probably the most optimal thing to do if you like to have more of a fuller, you know, natural look instead of just, you know, thin and all one length and stuff. So that's pretty much all that's been going on with this hair. A lot of people have been asking me if I recommend this hair, if I would, you know, refer it to somebody else, and the answer is yes, because it is affordable hair and you do get nice quality hair for the price. Aside from, you know, what I think as far as the hair being thin, the hair quality is beautiful, period. Like, we can't deny the fact that this hair is shining like it has oil in it, and there's no oil in it at all. That's the real tea, okay? But yes, I really like how I curled this hair. I like how I made this wig look, no hair left out, closure, looking like a frontal. I love it. I hope you guys like it too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos that I will be uploading soon in the future. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Turn down.